Hey, good morning everybody, this is Clip with Flamingo Power Wash, back with a new video for you guys. Today I'm working in Puerto Rico, Florida. I'm here for a new construction cleanup for this house here behind me that's going to be on HGTV. I'm here to do the sidewalks, I'm going to be doing the driveway, and also I'm going to be cleaning up the garage as well as the back patio. Since it's new construction, that means, we're not going to be using no high pressure. It's going to be low pressure, and we're just going to let the chemicals do the work for us. They got some tire marks, some paint in the inside the garage, which, we're going to use the yellow tip for. Easy project. Just gonna get this cleaned up. It's not dirty at all, really. Just gonna have it ready for the TV show. All right, let's go check it out. So this is the driveway here, got like little marks all over the place, nothing crazy. Got some tire marks over here. Pretty much all around is tire marks. And in here, we got the garage, which has, a lot of paint and stuff like that, but all that should be able to come up easy. Also guys, obviously I'm using the yellow tip on here. I wouldn't use it out there. It's a different type of concrete. I definitely leave lines on there. I definitely take the cream off the top if I use the yellow tip on that driveway. In here it's fine. It's a different type of concrete. Alright, got the garage cleaned up. All the paint is off. Woo, ready for TV. I'm gonna start on the driveway here. I'm just blowing all the debris that wasn't there, all that paint, all that stuff that wasn't here. I'm gonna blow it out here. I'm blowing in the grass, and so I can have a clean canvas, so I can clean all these tire marks and all that stuff off. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so I just put a 5% mix of SH down on the concrete just to get it cleaned up a little bit. Man, it's looking good already. There's no algae on here. I just want to get a clean surface before I start on the tire marks. But most of it probably is going to come right off. Man, this is looking good. See, they got a lot of, you know, footprints and tire marks all over the place like that. This has been on here for about maybe 5 minutes. I'm probably gonna wait another 5, and I'm gonna rinse it so I can see, I'm saying, what I need to work on next.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
All right, guys, we all done with the job. Cameras all over the place, man. So your boy might make it famous. Thank you, my man Blair. It's my ex-teammate, man.
Best middle linebacker around. 55.
Yeah, you already know, man. Speed limit 55. Thank you for having me, man. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, it was fun. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So, job is done. My man put me on. The show on HGTV is called 100 Day Dream Home. That's the show. So, I think they said they're gonna air it. They're gonna air it out on like February next month. But they're gonna reveal the house to the people. I'm not sure how that show goes, but whoever owns the house is gonna live in there. They're gonna reveal it to them on Sunday. So they had to get it, you know what I'm saying, cleaned up. All right, man. So we're gonna go ahead and head to the next job. We got a 45-minute ride, man. See y'all when I get there. All right, guys, we're at the second job for the day. Right now we're in Carrollwood, Florida. I think about 2 weeks ago. I was just here. I did the neighbor's house. That house right there. Did the driveway, sidewalks and all that. You can tell the difference from this side to that side. Today I'm gonna be doing this 2-car garage driveway, do the sidewalks for her, and the walkway up to the front door. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. Make sure you like, you know what I'm saying, and comment below. So easy work, you know what I'm saying. The sidewalks is pretty bad actually, so I'm probably gonna pre-treat it before I start. So let's get it. we are done here. Got a little post treatment going on. You know, everything's looking nice and clean. Especially that sidewalk. That was really bad. Yes, sir. I cleaned the mailbox too. Threw it in for him. Yes, sir. Everything looking nice. Gonna collect that check and go to the third job. All right, we're the last job for the day. Right now we're in South Tampa. Man, I went from Valrico to North Tampa to South Tampa. I've been all over the place today. But I'm doing a pool deck here. I'm doing a pool screen and also some pavers. Daylight is kind of creeping up on me, but we're gonna get it done. So this is the project here. So a lot of dirty pavers. We're gonna pre-treat that with a 5% mix. And do the same thing. Actually, I'm gonna use a 4% mix. So I'm able to keep it the same for the screen, because this screen here got a lot of algae, a lot of pollen all throughout here. And also got some green on the deck. Got a lot of green right here. Also see the screens right here on this side too, same thing. Nice and easy job. All right, let's go and get it started. We're gonna start from the outside of the cage first and then move our way inside. All right, so we got the outside and the inside done. You can tell already myself, see how it's turning white. It's turning white, that means everything is falling off. Nice and soft. All right, guys, we all done. Just in time for the sun to go down, man. That first job put me behind because they held them TV cameras there, so I had to work around their schedule. But pool deck here is cleaned up. All the algae spots are gone. The green spots are gone. But here we go, it's the final product. I did the pavers out there for them. Pavers is cleaned up too. Yeah, I appreciate y'all checking the videos out, man. Y'all stay tuned. I got more content coming for y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.